massages, the dry, the oil, and then add on with the hot stone and then ventosa. And then we have packages which includes your head spa before, right? Experience.
Yes po.
But we're now including facial cleansing. And then with mask, hydrofacial also with the head massage. And then packages also massage with bone setting.
Yes. Wow.
And then yung deep tissue, so we assess muna kung ano kailangan ni patient. Kung kailangan na merong electro-acupuncture kasi nakapag-bone set na yung client namin before but hindi para sa kanya kasi mahina yung mga nerve niya.
Yeah.
So we assess like si Tel, siya yung license. So kailangan pala niya is to strengthen the nerve. So nag-undergo siya ng electro-acupuncture.
Assess ko siya, tinanong ko siya kung ano yung nararamdaman ko sumasakit sa kanya. Tsaka kung kailan pa, kung matagal na siya. Yun yung mga long term na, yung matagal na nararamdaman nila. Yun yung yan.
Okay.
Yung hindi na kaya ng massage na. Ito yung electro-acupuncture. Ito yung machine.
So si Ma'am Tel po, kasama natin siya dito. You'll for sure makikita niyo siya dito. Who needs bone setting?
Everybody naman po, lahat ng mga stress sa trabaho, yung mga nangangalay dito, yung mga long term na mayroong frozen shoulder, stiff neck, yan yung mga na tulong sa atin.
Okay, habang hindi pa natin siya ginagawa, ma'am, usually, how does it work? Paano po ba siya nabo-bone set?
Like parang sa, hindi na siya masabi na chiropractic eh.
Yes.
Dito kasi sa atin is hilot palagatok siya.
Hilot palagatok niya. Okay. So, ganun po siya. And then, kasama doon, before gagawin yun, is yung assessment muna talaga.
Yes po. At saka by appointment po siya.
And what's good about our employees now, they have like 15 or 10 to 15 years of experience.
So, talagang batikan na po, no?
Yes. So, we're planning also to provide like a package, yung mga spa party. So, with intimate, so solo nila siya.
Yes.
4 hours, gano'n.
Okay. Let's do a quick tour po sa kanilang mga massage beds. Right now, nandito tayo sa kanilang, ayan, so head spa. Dito ginagawa yung head spa natin. This is a unique kind of head massage or head treatment. Kokoti pa lang talaga yung mga establishment dito sa Pampanga na may ganito ang klaseng bed. And then, ito yung example ng massage bed naman nila. And what I like about the place, yung environment, the ambience is napaka-homey. Para sa akin, yun yung mga hinahanap kong mga massage ambience, no? Ito yung mga tipo ng mga massage parlors na gustong-gusto ko.
Ma'am, sa service nyo is a mixture, it's a fusion of bone setting, nursing massage, and therapy. So parang all-in-one package dito sa may Therafusion.
And I want to provide yung pagdating nila dito, okay, it's aesthetic, hindi madali. People can bond.
No?
Parang extension siya ng bahay.
Exactly. Hi ma'am, nice one. Hi ma'am. Nice. How often should we have or yung parang allowable na session for massage?
Depende. We have, like for example, hindi naman sila ganun ka-frozen shoulder or mabigat yung katawan. So 60 to 90 minutes would be good. 60, medyo bitin. That's why I recommend yung 90 kung meron siyang stove. Pero yung iba, yung malalaki yung katawan, bitin sila usually.
Kagaya po namin.
90 to 2 hours would be good. Most of our first clients here are like doctors. So, ang titigas ng likod nila, so stress sila for like they have 50 patients. So, they would always book 2 hours.
Para ma-relax tayo.
Para ma-relax.
We also offer twin massage.
Twin
massage.
Twin massage. For months, dalawa po sila mag-massage.
Sarap na.
So, but it's rare. Hindi siya yung usual.
It is.
Dami ko natutunan, bro.
Actually, ako excited mag-experience yung mga services nila dito sa may Therafusion.
Alright, so at ayun na nga guys, this is the moment of truth. Right, siguro mga 3 months yung last massage namin. So this time magpaparelax tayo. And I'm also inviting you guys, no? So if you want mag-relax, mag-alis ng stress, yan, go visit wellness spa such as this. And if you're near the area, dito po sa may Pampang, Balibago, or even dito sa may Timog, no? So this is Therafusion, and let's try it. Yan guys, halata bang nag-enjoy kami? First of all, again, thank you so much for Therafusion for inviting us. Therafusion is actually a new, kumbaga, relaxing place. What is your impression, brother?
Actually, ito kanina pang inisip, one of the best massage place na matatagpuan dito sa Bldg City. Kasi feeling ko napaka-complete nila from massage, stretching, yung mga other therapies, other services, and nandito na. At the same time, napakasarap yung mga services na dito.
Actually, nung sinabing one of the best, ako na ano lang yun, na confirm lang.
Yes.
Kapag nagpapamassage ako, gusto ko kasi nakagising para talagang naaalala ko kung ano ginawa nila. Pero kanina bro, nakatulog
Ako dito, nakatulog ako. So, ibig sabihin lang, it's a sign na talagang napaka-relaxing dito. It's a new place for relaxing talaga dito sa Bldg City. And one of the recommended
I agree.
place. Kung gusto yung mag-relax, magpa-massage, this is the place.
I agree. Thank you so much again, Therafusion. Guys, for those of you who are interested to come here,
They are located dito sa may Arayat, Bldg. So, ang pinaka-landmark lang niya is malapit siya dun sa Jollibee ng Pampa. And they're open from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Yes.
Ayun. So guys, another place for you to relax, another place for you to check out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys. Bye.